Hello, my name is Dingus, and this is my designed app for mobile user experience. We were asked to make a mobile banking app and design it. I have made a app that I like to call To the Bank. It's basically an app that is for individuals who need to be able to keep track of their money on a moment's notice. Just basically people that are in college or single moms, people working in their first career that are just living paycheck to paycheck and just having a hard time making it out there right now because things are really hard, and I know how hard it is, and I would like to have something that would enable me to better keep track of my money, better account notifications, better letting me know where my money's going, and that type of thing, because I don't think banks have it right yet. So basically, let's start. What I have here is the login screen. The login screen basically just lets them have a username and a password so that they can log into their account. If they don't have a username and password, they can create one by clicking on the Create Account here, and then it takes them to the account creation form. They just fill out this information with the on-screen keyboard, and once they hit return, it'll dismiss the keyboard, or if they tap on the next line, it'll just continue on going down, and then once they hit return, it'll dismiss the keyboard and reveal the submit button that is behind there. Also, this view will be scrollable anyway, so that if they don't dismiss the keyboard, they can just scroll up and then still hit submit. If they, for whatever reason, they fail to log in, they will be taken to a login failed screen, letting them know that there is an invalid login and that they'll need to try again to log in order to get back in. After they are successfully logged in or have successfully created an account, it will take them to the home screen, which shows them a list of their accounts. Right now, it's just showing their checking account because I have included in functionality for them to add other accounts and change the current account that they have live on the actual app. So basically what they do here is they can see their current balance, they can see their transaction history. This right here will be the logo for the application. You have a menu icon here, which takes them to the main menu, and a notifications icon here, which takes them to their notifications. The main menu button, once clicked on, will take you to this screen, which is the main menu screen. And it'll bring out a modal panel that says main menu at the top, so they know where they are. And then it includes the buttons for home, so that if they're anywhere else in the app, they can get home just by clicking this button. They have a bill payment, which will take them to the bill payment screen. They have a budgeting tool, which takes them to, obviously, the budgeting tool. An add account, so that they can add accounts, and then a settings button to take them to the settings of the app, where they can set their the current account of what is displaying here on the home screen. Furthermore, the notification button, when clicked, will take them to their notifications, which is another modal panel that just slides out and lets them know the date and the time that a transaction has been placed or pending on for whatever account that they have added into the application. Whether they have it set as their current account or not, it goes off generally just their general account, letting them know, hey, you have a transaction pending for here, or you have a deposit pending at this time and date. So let's get into the main menu now. For bill payment. The bill payment screen looks like this. Basically, it takes them to a screen where they have a list of their bills that they can just click pay on, and it automatically will pay their bill for them. And then they also have an add bill button here, which will take them to the add bill screen, where they can add in their bill. They can just add their bill name, their account number, their bill's account number, and their bill's routing number, and it adds it to the list, and then they are able just to pay it directly from their account. Also here, they have an add and remove bills. It's the add and remove bill screen, so you are able to remove bills that you have if you no longer have that bill to pay, or the bill changes for whatever reason. You can just simply delete it and then add a bill to replace it. The next on the list is the budgeting tool, which is down here. Basically what I allow them to do here is these are all text field, or this right here is a text field, and it lets them put in their monthly income. And then you have more text fields here in this form, which is their rent, cable, electric, phone, insurance, car, loans, credit cards, and other. And then they click the submit button. And what this does is it takes their monthly income and subtracts all these numbers and lets them know how much they should have left after all their bills have been paid in the month. And then they can choose what they want to do with this money, whether it is to save it or put it on further bills to get them paid off quicker, what have you. It basically gives them an allowance. It basically lets them allot money where they feel they can allot money in order to save more money. And then the next screen is the account creations, or the account add screen. So it again takes them to an add and remove account screen, which looks exactly like the add and remove bill screen. There's a reason for this, so that it looks similar and they're used to using it. They basically just put in their account's name, they put in their account number, and they put in the routing number for their account, and they submit that. Also, you can see here, this is a list of their own accounts. So this is their checking account, this is their car loan from their bank, this is their savings account from their bank. This is also their college loans from their bank if they use their bank or whatever. They can add any accounts like this. Sometimes this will probably pop up under bills, but if it's coming from their bank, it could be a bank account for them. And also, beside this is the settings page, which is also right here. And then when they go to the settings, they can either log out, they can add an account, they can update an account, or they can set their current account. If you'll notice, I have included the menu button and the notification button throughout the application on all the screens of the application. That way they can constantly get to these places, except for when they haven't logged in yet, because if they haven't logged in yet, they can't get to the rest of the app and they don't have any notifications in the first place. But as long as they're logged in, they can get to the menu button and they can get to the notification button. The notification button allows them to see their notifications at any time, and the menu button allows them to navigate through the app without any problems. But this is what I have designed this week, and I hope you enjoy it. It was a lot of fun to do. I really liked the program, Balsamic. It was way better than Just in Time. But I feel like this application is pretty nice. I think the usability on it is pretty good as well. But I've learned a lot over the course of making this, and it was a lot more work in terms of a banking app than I had thought that there would be. But thank you guys, and I appreciate it. Thank you.